Hello guys, welcome back to the Cardac. Today we're going to play Baldi's Basics. But Baldi wants to Gummy! Okay. Hello. Whoa, you got a head shape, Baldi. With your eyes. They really frown. Just like we did in the church, dude. Alright. I get this notebook. And we got 2 notebooks. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's exciting because we take the clues. It's continuing the numbers of this. It's like, remember, if you go ahead, these numbers are answering this question. You'll get permanent. Because I'm on the computer. But first of all, we may burn it. But I just... I don't. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my alphabetic number with the remnants. But my 5 is 3 is negative. Okay. Oh, dang, we're gonna do it for about a minute. And yeah, welcome guys to my beautiful video. Yeah, Cardac intro back, and today we're playing. Guys, we now play Baldi's Basics 1 Gummy at 1:30 in the morning. Okay, it's almost 1:30 in the morning. And it's like a bunch of numbers that you agree to try or replay the numbers. Only for education. Oh, thank you, Baldi. Yeah, you cannot buy. Whoa, a fruit gummy token. Ow, please stop using the microphone. That kind of hurt my ears and I'm crying. God, I'm really scared of this. Oh, there's another fruit token. Gum. Oh, what is that? Oh, it's a lot of lights with colors on it. We gotta get the token. What is that thing? Whoa, there's a lot of Baldi memes. You're using this voice. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have 2 fruit tokens and 1 yellow door lock key. All right. Oh, there is a King Baldi, principle of the Fang. Baldi's not gonna catch up. I'm gonna do some catch up moments like this one. 5 plus 9, negative 5. It's like, oh, I hear every door that's opening to you. I'm still causing it right now. But I still don't know why my 4 Baldi means. So louder and try to check me up. And okay, video games guide that's over from here. Okay, we gotta get a. Okay, we have to go. It goes disappeared. Wait, who's that? Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, I got the head. Oh, what the heck just happened? Oh, what the heck? Why does it happen anyways? Oh my god. back home. I thought you could fit the pad. Really easy, dude. Oh, there's another tokens there. How many tokens we are? What the fuck? Oh, that's it all. I'm not feeling okay with these brothers, Baldi'S. Oh my god. Oh, there's one Baldi'S, so it's playtime Baldi 3 head shaped and what the why am I sending this detention? Oh, I'm getting the Android. Sorry. Okay, what's up? The Baldi's playing such a jetpack. What? I break the rules. Oh my god. Bully, first prize, playtime, principal of the thing, gotta sleep, and Baldi were die friends. And they're all together for the bloody for classroom. We turned up after the pass. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my goodness! What the hell just happened? That really freaks me out. There's like tons of Baldi memes. I caught it a detention again in the corner. I don't give a look. I heard Baldi Onion like slapping. I don't even know what the hell just happened. Oh my, there's tons of it. Right now I'm pretty scared. It's almost 2:45 in the morning and it's all creepy outside. And it's creepy in the classroom. Oh, oh goodness me. Whew. Since they're not Baldi's anymore, they could be friends. That is your camera. Yeah. It's like, oh no. Oh, not a jetpack. What does that mean? I'm glad that there's no sound. There's the tail there. And oh shit. Please playtime on the tail. We know we still friends, but we can jump over left side with playtime later. Oh my god. Oh, it's coming toward this way in the hallway and going faster. Oh no, that's not again. Please. Woo! Thank you. Alright. 2 plus 8 is 10. Negative 4. Nothing at all. Oh. Oh my god. It's a they like angry. It's like angry friends like back right here. This time the names was terrible and eyes and I was blistering in my tummy. But except for the secret name, Tommy. Oh no, my ears! Oh, they're so louder. I can't believe we're not playing this game one. Please, I want to go home. I want my mommy. I want my mommy. Please help me. Please, mommy, I'm glad that they're escaped. Oh. there's still time for mommy anymore. There could be happy. Boom! Headshot. Oh, why is there no big old shoe? 5. It's like negative. And fry that causes moisturizing tummies, angry eggs, bad farting, and strange tummy noises, monstrosities. Oh, there's no loud sounds. Better sound quality. Oh, hello there, Checkpack. Sorry about that name. Alright, there's only a bit of a notebook for the list. Ow, please do not do that again. Oh, 11, 6, nothing. Oh my goodness, guys, it's almost 3:30 in the morning, and I can't even manage how my play. Oh, there's gotta be one way exit. Oh, there are 4 exits in the display. Oh my god. What the fuck? Oh my god, my ears are red. Oh, I think. Oh, their music of light goes on. What the fuck? Please don't use that song. That's why light goes on. And my very birthday. Shut up! Shut up! Is anybody? I think it's gone for now. Oh my goodness, I smashed everything. Sorry, we need to buy that one. Please stand by, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. Anymore. Support us. Goodbye.